Good morning, dear students. Today I am taking class for BSc third sem. So in the last class we have solved some problems on variable separable method. Today also we solve some more problems on variable separable method. Okay, so here the problem is solve dy by dx equal to sine x plus y plus cos of x plus y. So in this type we make some assumption, that is put x plus y is equal to v. Okay, in this case put x plus y is equal to v. Next we differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x both sides, with respect to x both sides. Okay, so now differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx equal to differentiation of v with respect to x is dv by dx. Okay, so now calculate dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, send this one here, dv by dx minus 1. Okay, now call this equation as 1. Okay, now substituting, this is equation 2. Now substituting dy by dx from 2 in 1. Okay, so this dy by dx we have to substitute this in this equation. Okay, and also we have to substitute x plus y is equal to v in this equation. So with this we get dy by dx means dv by dx minus 1 equal to sine x plus y is v, so sine v, plus cos, again x plus y is v, it is cos v, right? Similarly now we want dv by dx is equal to, send this one here, it gives 1 plus sine v plus cos v. Okay, so now we make variable separable method. So dv divided by, now divide throughout by 1 plus sine v plus cos v, which gives 1 plus sine v plus cos v is equal to, now cross multiply dx here, is equal to dx, right? So now this is equal to dy divided by, now 1 plus cos v, now take this one, 1 plus cos v, by using the trigonometric formulas 1 plus cos v is 2 cos square v by 2. Next sine v can be written as 2 sine v by 2 cos v by 2 is equal to dx, right? Because 1 plus cos v is 2 cos square v by 2 and sine v is nothing but 2 sine v by 2 cos v by 2. Just like sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a, so sine a is 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. So like that we substitute here. Then in this case dv divided by, in these two terms cos v by 2 is common, 2 cos v by 2 is common, so taking that 2 cos v by 2 into bracket, here cos v by 2 plus sin v by 2 is left, which is equal to dx, okay? So next is we write this is equal to okay. So now here in this case 1 by 2 cos v by 2, so 1 by cos v by 2 is sec v by 2, right? So it becomes 1 by 2 sec v by 2 dv divided by, now this cos v by 2 plus sin v by 2 as it is, cos v by 2 plus sine v by 2 as it is equal to dx, equal to dx. Okay, so next is we apply the formula. Again we can take here cos v by 2 common. Okay, again we can take cos v by 2 common. So that is 1 by 2 sec v by 2 dv. One more time we take cos v by 2 1 plus. Now when we take cos v by 2 common, this term will be divided by cos v by 2. So sin v by 2 divided by cos v by 2, which is equal to dx. That is, now again 1 by cos v by 2 is sec v by 2. So this sec v by 2 is sec v by 2 multiplied. It is 1 by 2 sec square v by 2 dv divided by, this is 1 plus sin v by 2 by cos v by 2 is tan v by 2, which is equal to dx, right? So now which gives, now we integrate. Now see here, see the denominator term 1 plus tan v by 2. Now if we differentiate this, what we'll get? Differentiation of 1 is 0. Now what is differentiation of tan v by 2? So differentiation of tan x is sec square x by 2, right? So tan v by 2 differentiation is sec square v by 2 into differentiation of v by 2 is 1 by 2. So total differentiation of 1 plus tan v by 2 is 1 by 2 sec square v by 2, which is which is tan v by 2. So now if you differentiate this 1 plus tan v by 2, we get 1 by 2 sec square v by 2. So therefore now apply integration, integrating. So we know that integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is nothing but log f of x, correct? So here this is f of x and this is f dash of x, so its integration is log of 1 plus tan v by 2, which is equal to integration of dx is x plus integration constant, that is c. Okay, so thus we obtain this is a solution. So now what we do? Resubstitute v as x plus y. Earlier we have taken x plus y as v. Now after getting the solution, we again replace v by x plus y. So which gives log of 1 plus tan x plus y by 2 is equal to x plus c. So this is your solution. Okay, so we take another problem. Now we take another problem, that is solve x dy minus y dx equal to x into square root of x square plus y square dx. This is the problem. Now we again apply the same technique. First we obtain dy by dx from this equation. Okay, so now this can be written as dividing throughout by dx, which gives x into dy by dx minus y is equal to x into square root of x square plus y square. So divide the whole equation by dx. So x dy by dx, dx get cancelled. It is y equal to x root of square root of x square plus y square, dx again get cancelled. So that is x dy by dx is equal to y plus x into x square plus y square, or dy by dx is equal to, divide throughout by x, is equal to y by x plus, here x get cancelled, square root of x square plus y square, square root of x square plus y square. Okay, so that is dy by dx is equal to y by x. Now here we take x common, we take x square common, so from this we take x square common, since it is under square root, so x will come, so then square root of 1 plus, this is y square by x square. Okay, so now we substitution, put y by x is equal to v. This means that y is v into x, right? So now differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to v, apply product rule here, product rule, first function v as it is, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus x as it is, differentiation of v with respect to x is dv by dx. Okay, so now we want dv by dx, so x into dv by dx is equal to, send this term here, so sorry, correct it is, now this is dy by dx, that is v plus x into dv by dx. Now call this equation as 1. Now in this equation substitute dy by dx as v plus x into dv by dx and y by x as v. Okay, so which gives, now substituting dy by dx, this is equation 2, from 2 in 1, from 2 in 1. Okay, so then what we get here, this is equation 1, this is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, so now y by x, this is y by x is equal to v plus, this is x, square root of 1 plus y square by x square, which is same as y by x whole square, so that is y by x means v, so it is v square. Okay, so now we want x dv by dx, so x dv by dx is equal to, now here this plus v minus v get cancelled, and then x into square root of 1 plus v square, x into square root of 1 plus v square. Now again here x get cancelled. Okay, so now divide throughout by square root of 1 plus v square, that is making variable separable, so which gives dv divided by square root of 1 plus v square is equal to, cross multiply here, this is dx. Okay, so now integrating. Now integrating. So after integrating, now we know that integration of, dx divided by square root of 1 plus x square is equal to sine hyperbolic inverse x. Okay, so therefore this gives, integrating, this gives sine hyperbolic inverse of v is equal to x plus integration constant, that is c. Okay, so now resubstitute v is equal to x by y. Earlier we have taken v as y by x and resubstitute now v as, sorry, y by x, so which gives sine hyperbolic inverse of v means y by x is equal to x plus c. So this is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so these are the two problems which are different types by making substitution, x plus y is equal to v. Okay, so in the next class we take solution of homogeneous differential equation. Thank you.